play competitive Tekken. I'm a black belt in Taekwondo. I play piano.
I'm a twin. So I have a twin brother. He's the CIO of a college in Texas.
So you could theoretically do a swap and nobody would notice and just swap.
Potentially, yeah. So we've got a fairly multi-decade-old platform that are agent-facing, and we needed help on really modernizing these systems so that you can continue to grow the business.
A lot of people hate legacy software. They just want to get rid of it. They want to throw it out. The two pieces of legacy software that he's talking about have served so many people. And it's like, you don't just want to take that out back and shoot it. There's a tremendous amount of wisdom in the code base and knowledge and evolved, learned things. And you don't just want to forget it and start from scratch, or you're going to go and just restart making all the same mistakes. Start with building on CI/CD a little bit. If your internal resources are deploying between their QA and their dev and their staging and their production environments a couple hundred times a year, which is not unusual, you're losing hours or weeks of that person's time over the course of the year. And so the intangible benefits of CI/CD and having a good code to server pipeline really start to show up after you do it.
I want an API. I want us to use it. I want outside people to be able to use it. It sounds overly simple, I think, but for whatever reason, it's overly difficult. And you guys and Dan came in and it was like, this isn't that hard. Boom, 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 boom.
We are building that greenfield, the new version of some of their internal software. We have tons of knowledge. We have APIs. We have an auth ecosystem. We have a database where the project has this momentum and inertia and knowledge on it that it's irreplaceable.
Everything's cloud native, right? I don't want any infrastructure. I don't want any maintenance overhead, right? Dan and the crew, internally and externally, took that and ran with it on everything we said, right? We wanted the ability to keep costs contained, but give us the options to run up as much infrastructure as we needed to.
You're already not a technology company, and you're kind of in the business of technology, whether you want to be or not. And then so many companies make the unconscious choice to also be in the security business, which is the worst. So switching your security outside to make it not your problem anymore and make it Microsoft's problem or Amazon's problem, or you're instantly freeing up a ton of bandwidth, a ton of problems, and you're getting a better off. Like the things I can do with Azure B2C beat any helm rolled off, no matter how well you rolled it. I can do better things with Microsoft's version.